Racing just is started. We have to the mark. Break quickly at the start. Moving up, Mr. Environment. My jumping player bottoms. Playmaker comes next. Zamit Dancer rushing up now on the outside. Supreme Leader. Then next on that is Best Asset. Aloha. And on the outside, Pretty Bull. Color My World is down on the inside. Speed Bullet. While Admiral Contender is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. We have Supreme Leader now takes command by about 2 lengths. My Jopeng in second. Down on the inside is to the mark. Player bottoms comes next. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Supreme Leader by about 2 lengths. And in second is My Jopeng. Down on the inside is to the mark. Moving up is Summit Dancer. Last 100 meters we have Supreme Leader now by about 3 lengths over My Jopeng. And finally Supreme Leader. My Jopeng, Summit Dancer. Then comes Mr. Environment, Pretty Bull, and Player Bottoms for your Super 6.
2:12.9, 11:10.4.
Supreme Leader, yung ating winner dyan na